We are now inside of the video editor for Camtasia. You can use whichever video editor that you want. You can use a video editor in CapCut, which is free of charge. Now, the clip that we're going to substitute in is going to be of a screen share video that we have previously done. And we're going to be adding this screen share video inside of our video creator so that we can customize the video. What we need to do is we need to make sure that that video has a duration of 7.1 seconds. What we might do is we might go slightly under 7.1 seconds. So what we're going to do here is we're going to use our cursor for the timeline. Now again, the process that we're using right now is a very old version of Camtasia Studio. You will undertake this same process in your video creator. If you're using something like the free video creator in CapCut, you can do the very same thing. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring our cursor to the point where we're going to cut the video. And we're going to cut the video at 7.1 seconds. And so we'll continue to adjust. And we're going to use our arrow key on our keyboard so that we can get exactly to 7.1 seconds. What we will then do is we will cut our clip and we will render the new video, which is now 7.1 seconds. Now the video clip is not going to have audio with it. So what we can do inside of our editor is we can separate the video from the audio. We can then delete the audio. We can then produce the new video with no audio. And we now have our new 7-second video, which we can now return to our video creator to upload the clip. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.